Okay, I want to show you how to do a portfolio Canvas. I know it can be a little confusing, so hopefully this will help. So when you log in, go to the courses, don't click, and then go to Read 110. Okay, should have done this already. Okay, now when you get here to this page, over here in the right-hand column, top right here, you want to hit the settings. Okay, when you hit the settings, go back to the left here, and down here, right here, it says ePortfolios. So click on that. Okay. Then what you want to do is, you'll see this, so it'll either be here or here, same thing. Click on Create ePortfolio. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to name it. I want all of you to name it, and there it is because I've been practicing. Read 110, B02, that's your section. Spring 2013. Now make sure, this is real important right here, click Make It Public. That way I can see it. Okay, then click Make ePortfolio. Okay, and this is what will come up. Now, the first thing you need to do is go over here on the left-hand side and do Organize Sections, okay? And then this will pop up. Click on Add Section, all right? Now, what you need to do is you need to make a section for each portfolio outcome. So, for example, I'm going to do portfolio outcome number 1, okay? And I give you a list of what you need. Add Section, portfolio, spell it right, outcome number 2, Add Section. All right, portfolio outcome number 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm just gonna do the 3. You obviously have to do more. I have here the portfolio outcomes electronically. If anybody would like it, I'll give it to you electronically. I'll upload it to the Canvas site. Okay, now you have the beginnings of your portfolio. Now click here, go to Actual ePortfolio. You'll see this. See a welcome page where you can add things if you would like. Okay. Most important thing though is go here. So for example, you're going to need to put something on each of these pages, and let me show you how to do that. So let's start with portfolio outcome number 1. So I click on that. Okay, this is what I have. There's nothing in there yet. Click over here on Edit this page. Okay, now I want to name the page. Now portfolio outcome number 1, if you read it, is all about vocabulary. So when I said make a title that sort of sums it up, you know, what skill are you working with? Okay, so in this one, it's vocabulary. You can allow comments. That's up to you. Okay. Now, after you title it, what you need to do is over here in your right-hand column, you got a couple options. Okay. What we're really going to focus on is 2 things: course submission and rich text content. Okay. If you click on course submission, all of your course work will come up. Now, this is all I did because I didn't really do everything. Okay. And then what you do is you pick on what shows that you prove that you've learned that outcome. So let me see if I did the vocab one. There it is. Okay, so using context clues and word parts, I did well on that quiz, I'll say. So I want to use that to show I learned vocabulary. So I hit that, I highlight it, click submit, it will come down below. Now I didn't finish it, okay, but if I did, it would come up. Now let's say I want to put another thing on there. I highlight it, click submit, and if you go down, that one will be down there. Okay? So that's how you put those assignments into your portfolio. Now, the part where you write, you hit rich text content. Okay? This box will come up. Okay? Now this is where you write that paragraph where you describe how it shows that you learned this. So for example, you know, these 2 assignments show that I have learned to learn new vocabulary words better because, okay, and the purpose of this is to reflect on what you did, what you learned, you know, why you did well. Okay, now what I want you to do is after you type it, if you go over here, see these arrows pop up, make sure you drag this to the top. Okay, otherwise it'd be too hard to read. Okay, if you click on it first, it will open at the top first. Okay, but if you need to drag it, you drag it, and that's how you do that, like that and that. Okay. Then when you're all done, click Save Page, and there it is. Your page will be saved. Okay? And then you have to do that now for each of those outcomes. Okay? And you should be able to see what the page looks like that. Okay, and then here's your page. Now, just to show you how you send me a link. Okay, what you do is this. Okay, here is the link with the number. Okay, up top here, the box and structure, it will have a number. So you copy that link, and you email it to me. Now let me show you what should happen. So if I was to log out, Okay, so I made it public. Now anybody that has the link should be able to go and see it. It's not working here because there's nothing here, but if I hit home, there it is. Okay, since there's no welcome page, that's why it didn't work. So I hit home. I could see my portfolio, and the submissions will be there, even though I'm not even logged in. Okay, so you see how that works? Okay, hopefully this helps in your quest of completing the portfolio. If you have any questions, of course, face to face, just let me know.